Okay, the UFO is ready and there are asteroids, good amount of asteroids, and the shooting mechanism is ready, and I am taking over the world with my UFO. Okay. Oh, damn. It's done. So the game that you see right now, it's built in just 2 minutes. I made it using AI. If you want to know how, please watch this video. Okay, so the idea was simple. I wanted to create a prototype of a very simple game mechanic, and I love Space Invaders and the old classic games. So I thought, why not use that idea and create it as fast as I can. See, typically if you want to make a prototype, you might go in Unity or any other tool, and it might take like a day or two to just build that one prototype, which can be interesting to see and analyze if it's fun. But what I did was I stumbled upon a tool called SoonLab, and I used SoonLab to create this prototype. I'll quickly show you what I really did to get to that output. So I go here, I have multiple options for the model, but I choose ChatGPT 5.4 and I start typing the game idea that I want to execute. So what I'll do here is I'll just take a template, create a space shooter game where the player controls, maybe a UFO to dodge asteroids and destroy enemies. Make it super fun and chaotic. One single level, and that's it. And I hit generate. It takes 80 tokens because I've used this model. Different models have different tokens, but now what it is doing is it is thinking, it's building that one mini game design document, which is like a scope of the game, so that everything remains in this one place, and then based on that the game is built. Here we are. Shape your game idea. You can actually do multiple changes into this, but let's just keep it this way: UFO Chaos Raid. And the game type, it's single level 2D arcade space shooter kind of a game. So you can go through this entire thing. If things match what you want to do, you hit generate and it starts building the prototype. Although it's saying 8 minutes estimated, but it might only take a minute to build this. But the beauty of game development is this: you don't really have to go and build like a full-fledged game first. You make a prototype because prototypes help you to iterate faster. It helps you to understand or analyze if the game idea that you have is good, fun, or engaging. So there's enough validation that can be done on the prototyping stage itself. And today's world, if we have AI and we have these kind of tools, you can actually do that very quickly in a minute or two. Test out ideas. If you like the idea, you don't have to spend like a day or two to just create that prototype. You just go create it on a tool like this and then make it as a full game. All right, there we go. We have it. We have a game which is ready to publish, and we can actually see the game as well. So let's click on the play and we go directly into the game. So yes, that's the game. UFO is here. It's all colorful. It's nice with all the elements that I needed, and just done in one single line of prompt. And this is playable, by the way, and this is just a prototype. Not perfect, but enough to understand if the idea works. Let's do one thing. Let's go and make some changes into the prototype. Let's just say add a boss and add a boss, one power up, and increase the pace of the game. Let's just modify it once again. Right, I think we have it. We have the changes. Let's just see what it has done. Cosmic Saucer Assault. Pilot your UFO through a hostile asteroid field. Destroy enemy squadrons, dodge hazards, and survive as long as possible. Start mission. Okay, I want to see if we have a boss. Oh, the pace is definitely increased, and I'm not able to. I'm not really able to play it. Okay, I don't think I might be able to reach. Oh, there is a power up. Here's a power up. Oh, we have the power up. That's crazy. We have double barrel gun which shoots 2 bullets, and that happened because we had the power up. All right, let's just go and add something more. Let's just make it more colorful and let the UFO also move ahead while fighting with the asteroids. Asteroids. Let's see. It's taking another 80 tokens and it's creating something for us. All right, we have it. It's done in hardly 30 seconds. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's colorful. It has added some more colors and it's moving a little. It's giving the feel of moving for sure. Oh. Yeah, the clouds, the kind of moving, and it gives a like a really flying experience. But yeah, super interesting. So yeah, that's how you do it. You test it, you tweak it, you test it again, and that's what SoonLabs help you do, because you don't need coding. There's no setup, there's no coding. It's just the idea that you need. Put it there, iterate, tweak, test it again. You don't sit and plan everything. You just keep on evolving the idea that you have. I'll quickly show you the interface. There's SoonLab, it's home, and you can see a lot of games that have been already created by people on SoonLabs. Let me just show you one more game if we can. This game is entirely made in this tool. It's already crazy. Yeah, so you have a lot of games here. You can just go and create, select the model that you want, and just start creating. If you have a game, you can actually just publish it on this website itself. So yeah, that is it. This is what makes this crazy useful, because you can go from an idea to multiple prototypes in just minutes using SoonLab. And that's how good games are actually made. If you ever have a game idea, don't just keep thinking about it, just go and prototype it. I've put the link in the description below. Go try it and send me what you make.